Hi guys, just wake up. Wake up like this. So I'm home. So now guys, I have a gift from Jean. So we were gonna check what he gives to me. So the first one guys, this one. Eyebrows. Yes, I use it already I'm in the gym. And the second one, this is a tattoo lipstick. So we're gonna use it now before we take a bath. It's very nice also. It lasts long. So this is the tattoo stick. So we're gonna let that dry. So, at this, I don't know if this. Yeah, I think it's mine. So panty, oh, panty. And this one, this is for my daughter. My just is for Shane. Your chocolate. I thank you so much, love. It's chocolate. So my good day. Chocolate. This one, a chocolate also. Also chocolate. Thank you so much, Tejian. What is this? Potential mushroom. Ooh, mushroom. Oh, I gotta say. This is a mask. Oh, mask. And, wow, bruh. I don't know who's this. For me or Shane? I think it's me. Yes, this is me or Shane? She said it's my daughter. You know what? It's big to my daughter. So this is mine. But I'm gonna check if it's I don't know if it's me or it's Shane. So thank you so much, Jean. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, I like this one. I like this. Yeah, thank I don't know if this fit for my daughter. It's bra. Thank you. Thank you so much, Asagi. Thank you. So this one guys, so you will gonna wait until it's dry. Then you're gonna remove it. Just move.